Hi, welcome back. This week has a significant advancement in AI, particularly with the updates from Anthropic's Claude AI, OpenAI's ChatGPT, and I created for you guys an AI overview or wrap up for the week. What happened in the week? I mean, what happened in the last 10 days? Maybe can get spent back to 10 days, but we will be looking at one of the great advanced features, advanced new updates from the prominent AI companies like OpenAI, Cloud, and Anthropic, the name of the Cloud's AI company. Yeah, we do also have some minor updates from DeepSeek too. I think we can count DeepSeek one of the prominent AI companies too after the release of their open source models. Yeah, let's just get into it without further ado. So let's just start with deep research expansion from OpenAI's. So this is I'm gonna give you a summary of what happened about the deep research from the OpenAI's end. So they expanded actual access to the deep research feature initially exclusive to the pro subscribers to include ChatGPT Plus. Like if you're using ChatGPT Plus, you can use it. You can use this new feature up to 10 requests a month. But if you're a pro member, it can go up to 120 requests on Pro. But if you're someone like me who uses Pro model, I mean the Plus model, it works like a charm. By the way, I like the way they're just initializing and doing the research on what I want because he like the model, the deep research model. I mean, it's not a standalone new model. It's just a feature for the models. So it creates a wrap up, a kind of like summary based on my prompt. Let me just show you guys. What can I say? The digital product nowadays or in 2025 don't give a bold generalized answer. Find me something niche. Okay. So initial step. It just asks me to provide you with a niche digital product ideas. Could you share your skills and areas of expertise, your target audience or industry, whether you want a passive income or something you require ongoing work? So it creates new bullet points for the deep research before it answers before it starts the process of deep researching, which is perfect because with these additional questions, it's just expanding the area of its. All right. So you know about me, use the data because it has the memory of me. Like I've been actually using ChatGPT since they released it. So we have the memory. I mean, it has the memory of me, like what I'm doing, what's the bullet point of my life, like what. Yeah, it's just general data about me, like the data that's shared with ChatGPT. So I find niche digital products for ideas for 2025 that has strong demand and growth potential, whatever. So unique and niche digital product ideas for 2025. It took actually 7 minutes, and it can go up to 1 hour too if you're asking so specific something about like maybe can scientific topic can be whatever. So this was a result, and I really like the result because whenever I try to search here, search action here, search on web, most of the times just gives me like bold generalized answers like I just mentioned in my prompt. Like don't give me and in that case, the result was actually pretty nice. To my liking, I liked it. Anyway, so this was the result. And as you can see, we have the AI-powered niche content creation tools. We have the augmented reality home design and shopping aids, virtual reality, and what do we have? Also have smart home automation templates, integrations, and 3D printable designs, NFT collectibles, micro SaaS ideas, and digital health wellness for seniors. And yeah, so make it an AI content creation since I already have an Udemy courses, plus 6,000 plus students enrolled, and YouTube channel with 300 plus subscribers. And if you're guys enjoying so far, don't forget subscribe. You guys can also check my Udemy course. I mean, just the course I'm also selling on Gumroad for a better price. I suggest you to check the Gumroad in the description. Anyway, let's just continue with the. Okay, I just again. ask like similar question, like make it around the content creation. So initially, before it starts to restart the process of deep researching, it just asked me some questions regarding my prompt. Like, are you looking for AI-based products? Just actually like started branching out the prompt. Let's just try to find some details, like try to find what I'm actually just asking for. These were the initial questions before it starts, so it can tailor the ideas accordingly. It's a great explanation for the initial questions. And this one for the AI and content create AI powered digital products and content creators, whatever. AI prompt libraries for content creation also gives some great examples, real world examples, real examples actually from Reddit. As you can see, sold over 14,000 worth of ChatGPT prompt bundles in 6 months. Israel's a real story. You can find it on Reddit. There you go. And kind of also shows the resources at the end of everything. Let me just show you guys. Where is it? Summary. Each of these powered AI. If you are asking also like the sources that have been just used here in this response, you can also get them. And like at the end of everything that he took from somewhere else, you can also find the links. As you can see, Etsy products, because Etsy is the number one marketplace when it comes to digital products. Also, we have tons of different references from Etsy.com. It's so enormous, it's actually expected. So I asked something about like I was just comparing two universities, San Francisco State and Cal Poly Pomona, and here as you can see, we have the sources here. U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, Indeed, ONET on Data Science Weekly, Colpiponino Report, CFCU careers and stuff. I was just asking about how is the like positions after they graduate? Like, do they find a job? Whatever. I was just testing the model. Yeah, deep research is amazing model. I really loved it. Not just like it, I just loved it. What else? Just looking at my notes. Yeah, it conducts multi-step research on the internet, analyzing synthesizing information from various sources. It gathers lots of different information from different websites, various sources, and the comprehensive report can take it can create a comprehensive report within a 5 to 30 minutes, like it just says here, depending the complexity. Yeah, I really liked it. And again, they're just warning us occasionally that model, this tool can produce some hallucinations too. Yeah. All right, that was it for the deep research part. Let's just continue with the next part, which is GPT 4.5. They are now actually releasing now today. They're releasing this GPT 4.5 today. It's not a big deal. It's not a frontier AI model. All right. So GPT 4.5, like they said here on this website, it's not a frontier model. They're warned actually. They warned the user it's not a frontier model to just reduce expectations. So I was anticipating something like some new tool feature from the new updates, but they just released GPT 4.5, the latest AI language model from there, and they currently available as a research preview for pre-users and describes OpenAI's most knowledgeable model. GPT 4.5 offers enhanced writing capabilities and improved knowledge and the refined personality, making interactions are more natural and effective for tasks such as writing, programming, and problem solving. However, OpenAI notes that GPT 4.5 is not considered a frontier model and may not perform as well as models like o1 or 3 Mini. So what I think about it is actually, I think there will need for create something feels more natural when it comes to like a large language model. Because when you ask the same question, same prompt, because they also showed in the live stream, like they were asking the same question to o1 and 4.5, the new model, and the responses from 4.5 was actually nice and felt more natural when you compare it to o1 response. I think they're just targeting with this model. I think targeting the open AI content creators, maybe, yeah, someone in this area, like content creation area or something, like more generalized users, not just like programmers and stuff, like the Claude 3.7 is just doing. Like they are really good at coding. They're just most of the time they're just targeting some programmers. But when it comes to this model, I think they're just most of the time, I mean, they're just targeting normal users too. You know? Yeah, this was it. And we also have some great accuracy, great graphics about the accuracy and stuff. But like I said, it was not a that big, it was not a big deal as we expected it would be. Okay, we continue with the next model, which is 3.7 from After Effects, as you can see, and Claude Code. Okay, on February 24th, 2025, After Effects unveiled Claude 3.7 and their most advanced AI models to date. And this model introduces hybrid reasoning, allowing you to provide rapid response or engage in extended step-by-step analysis for complex problems. Hybrid reasoning is actually a great approach for reasoning models because it also speeds up the entire like reasoning process. I mean, not the reasoning process, but the reasoning models have big waiting times. You know, it takes up to a decade to get something off of DeepSeek when you even ask for the simple, the easiest thing on earth, like point, like 2 plus 2. What is the result? It just thinks for like 15 minutes or something like that. But here, with the hybrid reasoning model, it's also speeding up the process while also doing some reasoning at the same time. And 3.7 Cloud is doing this, which is nice. And now also users can control the depth of reasoning, balancing speed and thoroughness as needed. Cloud 3 Sonnet excels in areas like coding, finance, and legal tasks, and it's accessible through the Claude app, Anthropic's API, Amazon Bedrock, Google Vertex AI. Notably maintains the same operational cost, Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Yeah, which is agentic code. We also have some agentic code creator, AI code agent, let's just say Cloud Code for the research preview. Welcome. Here's you can see. Okay, Cloud Code is actually like yeah, these are the benchmarks. Accuracy is actually the best when you compare it to other prominent models, like the best models, DeepSeek R1, OpenAI O1, Claude 3.5. It's even, I think I think when it comes to coding, only competitor is actually themselves, you know, because the scaffold, oh, with this custom scaffold can go up to 70%, which is crazy. And like I was just saying, and when it comes to coding, I think the only competitor that they have is just their own model, which is Cloud 3.5, because Cloud 3.5 is, I think, the best model when it comes to coding. An agentic tool use, here as you can see, and I think like Cloud is also good at agentic cloud use because they also have some browser automation models and stuff. Yeah, and with that, actually, we're coming to an end for this week's wrap up. And I will be keeping you guys updated with the newest AI, with the latest recent AI news and stuff. If you want to just keep updated and I want to create some AI applications with AI, I also created some I also created some content on YouTube on you can find the comprehensive and detailed applications too on my Udemy or on my Gumroad. You can find the links. I will not share the Udemy link. I think the Gumroad is better now, more focusing on Gumroad nowadays. Yeah, you can follow me. I mean, you can just subscribe to this channel if you like the content. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.